Want to make your home office more productive? Let's dive into the world of home office essentials. A well-organized workspace isn't just about aesthetics, it's a game changer for productivity and stress reduction. From the right chair that supports your spine to the desk placed near natural light, every element plays a crucial role. And let's not forget about noise-canceling headphones for ultimate focus and plants that bring nature indoors. All these elements come together to create the perfect productive environment. Stay tuned to discover the top essentials for a productive home office. First up, invest in an ergonomic chair. This spine's best friend promotes better posture, reducing back pain and enhancing comfort during those long work sessions. It's a simple investment for a big return. Remember, your comfort is key to productivity. Next, place your desk near a source of natural light. This simple adjustment can do wonders. It improves your mood, reduces eye strain, and promotes better sleep patterns. All essential for productivity. So, position your desk to take advantage of this free productivity booster. Third, consider using noise-canceling headphones. These high-tech helpers create a tranquil bubble, silencing the world's distracting hum. By eliminating background noise, they allow your mind to dive deep into focus, boosting your productivity. Block out the noise and focus on what matters. Lastly, add plants to your workspace. These green companions not only spruce up your surroundings but also purify the air, mitigate stress, and foster creativity. They're the silent cheerleaders of your workday. Add a touch of nature to your workspace and watch your productivity bloom. To summarize, the top essentials for a productive home office include an ergonomic chair to support your spine, a desk positioned near natural light to act as your eye's ally, noise-canceling headphones to guard your concentration, and a touch of nature with indoor plants to boost your mood and creativity. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in enhancing productivity and comfort. Remember, a well-equipped workspace is the key to successful remote work. With these essentials, you're all set to create a productive home office. Get started today.
Like, follow, and share for more tips at DS Design Labs.